Yo, what up YouTube BX? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as only using me tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blue on my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another unboxing for you guys. So this was actually sent out for me to do a review for. So as you guys already know, at no time am I obligated to basically say anything that they want me to say. I am doing this at my own will. They do not get to see this video before you guys do. They see it at the same time you guys do. So that being said, at no further ado, bat knife, box bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. So this was sent out to me from a company. I got other products that I got coming in. I just hate using Amazon, but this is the fastest way they want me to do everything. So yeah. So this is it right here. And this is from a company called, what is it? Suitisbest, whatever, how you pronounce it, whatever. So you know I do get a lot of products with Apple Watch bands for my Ultra 2. As you can see, this one right here. I love this rugged watch. Right here, it's just dope. As you know, I got this right here. I gotta wash it. I've been doing a lot with it, biking, hiking in the woods and stuff like that. As you can see, I got these. Got this here. Get the metal ones, all those bands and stuff right there. This got to go in the washer. Simple fact was I was doing a lot of hiking. I was in the woods, firing my gun and stuff like that. So here's the one I've been using since I've been in the woods and stuff like that. Doing some hiking trips, stuff like that. Since it's cold outside, I've been doing like little videos and stuff like that. But I do love this band right here. I do love the way how this make it looks a little bit bulky. The one thing I do like about it is that if you pop this part off right here, it give it its original look as the regular Apple Watch 2, Watch 3. I'm just going to leave this off for right now. And let's just open this bad boy up. Now this is something that Apple should have sent with the Apple Watches Ultras. This should have been the bands that they offered. Like literally, this band that I'm about to show you is crazy. And it also comes with a case also. If I can get it out the box. I have no fingernails, so I cut my nails off. So there we go. And here we go right here. So this does come with the case. Okay, so I do like the fact that how they actually cut this off. This is a clear case, and I like the way how they actually kept the way how the original watch is supposed to look, which is plastic right here. But here's the difference right here. It's this piece right there. And that's the reason why I got it. Like, that's why I said this should have been something that came with the Ultra watches right here. So as you can see, it's basically the same brother right here. It's the same actual one right here. But the only thing is, it looks way better. So let's just take this off real quick. Okay. Like I said, I do like the way how this protective case is, the shell is. I wonder if I can put this band on with this protector on. I doubt it, because it's really bulky. And can you? No, it's going to push it. I can see it pushing it. When I accidentally took a picture. So let's try to get this thing off. Yeah, I can actually see it. It's actually pushing that. So I got to actually take this whole thing off to get that on here. I wonder what else cases that I can actually keep on here. So let's put this over here. So this goes at the bottom. This goes at the top. It's the top right here. And this case is right there. So I wonder if I can use any of my other protective cases on the actual watch. I doubt it, because it has a small cutout. And I wish they actually had this in black. So let me see. I doubt it that it'll actually fit. Let's just throw this on here real quick. So I have to actually take this off. I don't like the fact that I got to take this off on here. Just got to clean that up a little. Normally I have alcohol pads to clean my watches, which I am going to do that right now. Clean that up right now with an alcohol pad. Let me just get some of these pads out. Okay, there we go. Clean this up a little. Like I said, I do take care of my watches. Like I said, I love these bands. I always wipe down my bands when I get it. Like I said, I always wipe this thing down. If y'all see my other unboxing, I did the exact same thing on this one. So I'm kind of like upset because I do want to keep these on here, but I already know for a fact if I put this on here as so, I'm not going to be able to get this on here because it's very thick. Yeah, I would have to actually cut a little part out for that to be able to use that. I do like this one right here because it does keep that look right here, but you lose that other bump part that's on here. It kind of like sucks. I do have a screen protector on here. I'll probably replace my screen protector in a few. I do like this one because it does keep the original bump look on here. Show you real quick. It keeps the original bump look, but it gets rid of that extra part right here, which I kind of don't like, but it actually stops you from accidentally hitting that button when you're actually using it at a different angle and stuff like that. So can't be banned with that. Let's just clean that up a little. Okay, let's just throw this on real quick to see how this looks with it like that. So there we go. And there we go. Oh, this should have been, yeah, this is how it should have looked from the get-go. Oh, this looked nice. This looks nice, and it's a little bit rugged too. Okay. Oh yeah, that looks nice. And it feels good too. It doesn't feel like the way how this one was. Like, it just feels perfect, like it's meant for this. I feel like that this is like a button that's supposed to be on here. That feels nice. I'm not gonna front, that feels nice. I do like the rugged look with this on here like that. Like, I do miss that. Oh, that looked nice like that. Oh, hell yeah. But it's not going to stay on because it needs the other part on here just to keep it. Like, if I was to take this part and just cut this part off on here, literally, and right here, I'll be able to keep this on here with no problem and still have it protected. I think I might order another one of these and just cut up this part right there. I don't know. But let's just throw this on here, this clear piece. I'm not really fond with the clear. Yeah, I'm not really fond with that clear. I wish they gave me a black one like that. I mean, I do like the fact that it keeps the button on here like that. Let me see real quick. I don't know how I feel about that clear piece, but it does protect it. I don't know. I like it. I like it a lot. But that clear is just, it's killing me. It's really killing me. I wish they had it in black. I might reach out to them, ask them, do they have this in black? Do they sell it in black just by itself? And I'll just buy it because this clear I'm not really feeling. But yeah, I might take it off and just I mean, it does have the cutouts for it. I can still get to my stuff with no problem. I don't know. I gotta wear it for a day and see how I feel with it. I might just buy a bumper piece for it. Just a bumper to go on top of it like that instead of having this. To be honest, I don't know how I feel. I'm gonna get in contact with them, send them an email, ask them do they have the case in black. If they do, I'll just tell them to send one out for me. All right, guys, this is this right here. I'll put the link in the description. It's actually from Amazon. Like I said, I do love this because it's real bulky with this right here, and this I've been rocking this for a minute, so I'm gonna decide if I will keep this on. I do like protecting my watches and stuff like that, but I don't know. It's just this clear is just not rocking with me. I'll make a decision if I'm gonna like it. It'll probably grow on me because it doesn't look clean like that. This have that type of look. You know what? Let me see something real quick. Let me see if I can get this thing to rock with me real quick. Let me see if I can find a face. Maybe that. Maybe that one. Let's hit that. Let's see if. Yeah, maybe that. Yeah, maybe that one would rock with it. That one looks clean with this. So maybe I'll rock with that. That looks clean. Alright guys, it's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod Jailbreak Hacker, only use me Tomahawks, and I'll catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. One, let me get my freaking thumbnail. So let's get this crap out the way. And we're just gonna get it like that. And there's the thumbnail. Alright guys, it's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod Jailbreak Hacker, only use me Tomahawks. Remember, live it, love it, game it, peace and deuces, and I'll catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Wow.